there, Electra's here to help us again, aren't you, baby? Okay, so what we have today is a walkthrough of this little booklet that I made to house my junk journal. So I used this book. It's available, so I have the paperback version available on Amazon, and then I have the papers available on Etsy. However, if you would like to get it in this form where it's like a scrapbooking paper pad, so you actually tear the pages out, is wonderful. So you can tear each page out and then punch out the tags, and then I have bookmarks in here that you can punch out. No more do you have to cut off the spine and lose some of your pages, because it does have the junk journal in here. But I wanted to show you also, so we have the ATC cards you just punch out, they're perforated, and then we have the little cards that you tear apart. We have ATC cards that you punch out, and then we also have bookmarks that you just punch out. So it's so much easier. You don't have to fussy cut. You can fussy cut some of the images and so forth, which I will be doing in various projects. Here we have the postcards that are perforated, and you just fold them and tear them. But we also have the junk journal in here, and all you have to do is pull the pages out and then fold them, and you don't lose any of the paper. So I have a little walkthrough of this that you can see on another video. And it's now available. I'm going to link here where you can purchase this actual book that you would tear the pages out and punch out the different various pieces. So what I made is I wanted a little booklet to encase the junk journal that I created out of this book. And so this way you could give it as a gift. And we will just open the ribbon here. And this is the paper out of there. The only thing extra I have is I had some ribbon with bling, and then I used my stickles along here. And these flowers and this button are from Prima Marketing. And then the rest is just from the book. All the papers are from my book. We have little tags here. This way, like I said, you could give it as a gift. So we got little tags. This came out of the book. The tag there, and you could write or stamp on the back of that. And then we have, this is our junk journal. Now what you can do, and we tore the pages out and then folded it into a junk journal. They were in the book like this. And then I just put some ribbon to bind it together. And it has the pocket pages. Got a little tag there to stamp on or write on. You have plenty of journaling room on these pages. Plenty. You can put pictures over here, up here, and journal. And I love the quality of this paper. I got it at Bravante, and that's who printed it, and that's where you can purchase this in the paper pad form. And we got room here for one of our ATC cards. Another tag there. And then this I made out of the papers as well. It's just a little accordion, and it's got room there, little pockets to put extra things. And I tucked it in here. I made this, and then we got a little piece there from the book. I made this from chipboard, and then I used bookbinding material that is paperbacked. That's what I used. I'm going to do some tutorial videos on how to make things with this. I love this bookbinding material that is paperbacked. And the reason you want paperbacked is then glue works on it. So we can make any size we want by using chipboard and then covering it with this. Now the concept with this is elastic, and I have my little bead here at the end. You can slide this journal in and out. So you want to work on it, you slide it out, and then after you're done, you put it back in. It has room to expand as well. And I used a magnet here to hold this together. Whoops. Magnet to hold it together, and then I did put some ribbon on it as well. And the way I attached that on the back, I just took like a little circle, and this came from the papers as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Like I said, I'm going to be making a ton of projects out of this book and sharing them all Christmas season. And I also am going to do some more with the chipboard and the bookbinding paperback material, so I can teach you step by step how to create a little booklet like this. Thanks for watching.